Yeah. How we doing, Bugatti? Are we schwiggity?
Previously on Kimba TV. By the way, I'm not saying you should do this. Danzel says Kimba giving final. You know there's gonna be motherfuckers that are gonna be pissed when it does this. Scam. You gotta understand why we were looking for hedge shorts yesterday and why it pixel fucked on that line that we've had all this time. How we doing? Hey, it's been a minute since we had the traditional intro, y'all. Where's Ja Rule? Aw, shit. How we doing? Yeah. 3 hours of sleep, but you know I had to get nasty with the markets. How we doing? Let's get nasty with it, y'all. Happy Friday. Exclamation Discord, exclamation YouTube, exclamation Twitter, exclamation Blowfin, exclamation KOJ. The King of the Jungle weekly trading competitions are starting. Coke Zero says, brother, please, TA. Yes, there's a couple more lions trickling in, so we'll let the lions trickle in, and then we can do some TA. However, hold on, let me stop the music for a second. However, if you are caught up on the Monday, Tuesday highlights, we're Gucci Magucci. Clearly this level is super crucial, right? This level right here, this 67, I would probably say this is how we would do it, right? So we would take the lowest to the pivot. So the box is gonna look something like this, right? So one, it's going to come down to, do you remember how we were drawing these boxes? Okay, so you've got, a little bit of a thang here right now in which it has to try and hold, Coke Zero. So on the smaller and the, on the smaller time frame, you already know what it is. It's going to come, this box, this big box, if you remember, can get broken down to several smaller ones, right? Like this. You can do this, and you could spread this bad boy out like that. So hopefully you guys have marked out levels, and then all you really need to do is just watch the level as it approaches. So for example, what is Binance doing on its approach to this level? What is Bybit doing on its approach to this level? Let me switch this over to the default. So hopefully, whether you have that level marked or not, you guys are starting to figure out if there are shorts opening, if there are longs closing, are there any edge building, et cetera, and then obviously S&P confluence. So conceptually, the plan or the TA doesn't really change. The data might, but if you know how to interpret the data correctly, then it won't really matter if the data changes because you'll always be able to interpret it correctly. Bugatti! How we doing? So yeah, we'll dive in a little bit. I just want the lions to kind of trickle in, Coke Zero. But do you have this? Like, do you have this level marked out? Do you know if it's bullish or bearishly reacting right now? Schwaggity. Coke Zero says, I'm in a short from Pico top. Nice. So you would probably be watching this level right now. This level is very important. So bears, you would want to lose it, turn it into resistance. Bulls, you would want it to hold. And then at that point, it's not just about hoping, it's about reading the data. Are longs getting closed? Are shorts opening? Who's doing what and for how much? Are we Gucci? Look at CME. Schwaggity swag. So if you lose value area high and you turn point of control into resistance, what would you aim for next? Do you guys remember what we said was the plan if 67 is lost? Where are the bad lows at, ladies and gentlemen? Where are the bad highs at, ladies and gentlemen? Are we Gucci? You know what's crazy? I was gone for like 3 nights or whatever, but nothing has really changed. for me. In a way, I'm kind of thankful that this is all that the market makers did while I was on my trip. This is straight pure bing, bing, bing. Sounds good. Invincible says, Kimba, could you talk about the differences in OI on Bybit and Binance? The best thing, Invincible, would be to see it live. How many of y'all have been here when we broke down the open interest on Binance USDT versus Bybit USD? And we noticed that Binance longers were getting stopped out in profit, but Bybit longers were top longing and getting stopped out at a loss. So you'll see it, Invincible, because we do it live many, many times. But let's say that the price went up, okay? For some bizarre reason, if this is the price action, okay? Bybit, their open interest is relatively flat until we get to the top, and then their open interest goes up. The price action does this, okay? They get stopped out at a loss. This is Bybit. Okay, Binance, their open interest goes up here, they're chill here, and then as soon as it drops right here, they get stopped out here. So Binance, they enter here, they get stopped out here. Bybit, they enter here, they get stopped out here. So it's just like basic pattern recognition, brother. But we see it live all the time. So if it does happen again, we can definitely call it out. But it's pretty straightforward. What you want to do is take a look at where they're opening and where they're closing. Alrighty. And can we give it up for Pixel fucking, ladies and gentlemen? Oh my goodness.
It's Pixel fucking. Okay.
Hey, Lois, it's pixel fucking.
Pixel fucking it is. Yes.
Kimba Box strikes again. I've been gone for how many days? I wake up from my cryo sleep and then we juicing, baby. We juicing math.
Let's hoot shape, motherfucker. The math is the math.
The math is the math. We gooch. This is, did I not just say identify the levels to the downside? Are we mathing? Are we mathing? Quit playing with me. We Gucci? Schwiggity schwaggity? How we doing, Lions? Talk to me. That was the new hourly as well. So this is going to be an interesting day today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put the 30-minute back on. Let's zoom in. You know what it is. You know what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get the TPO thing going. The levels are identified. We juicing. We juicing, Lions? I mean, what do you guys think about this? For those of you that have been here when we drew this box, when we drew this box, when we drew this box, even this morning when we drew this, and we're about to see a reaction. I don't know if this is going to be a swing fail. I don't know if it's going to be a failed auction. I don't know if it's going to just go bink bonk. But damn, look at these levels, baby. The math is the math. Let's go. Who believes? Do you believe? Do you believe? Ain't nobody talking about manipulation. It's just math. Agree or disagree? I don't know if it's going to be a bearish retest. I don't know if it's going to be support. I don't know if it's going to be a failed auction. I can't predict the future, but in terms of identifying levels, I don't know. I think we're doing a pretty good job. How you guys feeling about this? We mathing? Yes, so 19YTT is asking, is this a good time to play a long if we get a penetration and a bullish retest? Yeah, it might be. Let me put it this way. If I were in a short and I was not in a hedge short, but I was in a dedicated short, I wouldn't want to see that as a bear. Some things are going to be better at invalidating something versus confirming something. This would be better at invalidating the bearish edge instead of confirming bullish edge, in my opinion. So some people would take that as maybe it's a long opportunity. Yeah. What are you looking for? You're in a short, or what are you looking for, dog? Are you already in a short? It sounds like you're already in a short. If I were you, brother, I would be staring at that 68,000 and I would be trying to look for what the fuck are we going to do if it breaks 68,000 or this box? Because guess what? These boxes are value levels, right? So if you're, you know, breaching like the halfway point, just from a statistical standpoint, right? You're gonna get closer, and the higher that you go, so you might be thinking here, you might be thinking here, and you honestly might be thinking here, like, what the fuck am I gonna do if it goes up there? Because that is the last thing you wanted to see if you were a bear, right? What do you think about this, bears? Are you fuck?
It's pixel fucking. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're telling me that something that has trillions of dollars of market cap is gonna just straight pixel fuck on me like that? Hold on a second.
Hey, Lois, it's pixel fucking.
It's pixel fucking. Okay.
Pixel fucking it is. Yes.
Really? Really? We're just able to anticipate trillion-dollar market cap assets like that? Lions are lions? Can I get an exclamation, lions are lions? Can I get an exclamation, the bad highs are gonna get swept? Talk to me, lions. How we doing? Math is mathin'? Quit playing with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. What a great way to be back, ladies and gentlemen. I missed you guys. I hope you missed me, but I hope most of all, I hope you guys missed your brothers and sisters. Let's go. The math. It's the goddamn motherfucking math. How do we do that, ladies and gentlemen? Oh my God. How? Testnet, that's how. Right? Who juicing? I will see you guys a little bit later. Happy monthly close. May is wrapped. Tomorrow we begin June. The trading competition is live, y'all. Exclamation KOJ. Make sure you guys are ready to go. That starts tomorrow. Super exciting. It's great to be back. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, avatars are up and running, and then let me do this. Bulls, Bears, we're all lions. Stay safe, y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, most likely I will, Aritodo, just because I'm gonna want to see where we are when I get back from dinner. But aside from that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Big dog, Aritodo, yeah? Sounds good? Stay safe, y'all. Sato, tell them what happens if they don't use stop loss, Sato.